Always running out of battery when you need your phone the most? Or tired of those cheap car chargers that charge slowly or stop working after a few weeks? Well, that ends today. Introducing the Syncwire SW-XC625 iPhone car charger, featuring a built-in MFi certified cable with adjustable length, fast-charging 32-watt output, and wide iPhone compatibility. Compact and reliable, it keeps your devices powered efficiently on the go. What's in the box? Inside the package, you'll find the Syncwire SW-XC625 charger with cable. User manual. Specifications. Installation. Start by locating your vehicle's 12-volt cigarette lighter socket, usually found near the center console or under the dashboard. Make sure the socket is free of dust or debris for a secure connection. Next, insert the car charger directly into the socket until it fits properly. How to connect. Connect your device's USB charging cable into one of the charger's ports, whether USB-A or USB-C, depending on your model. Plug the other end of the cable into your smartphone, tablet, GPS, or other device. Once connected, your device should begin charging instantly. Safety precautions. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching.